Tá fáilte rót a rás go Leavingcertirish.com is Mr. Sean O'Gavin. Sean Nuacht na Seachtaine and Feabhra the Feabhra. Some great topics in here this week on coronavirus, Cuasaí Polatúla agus on Drochaimsir. So, the topical issue at the moment, of course, the coronavirus, the bad weather and political matters. An ché ceistan seo, ná, an bhfuil tú bortha faoin coronavirus. So, the coronavirus, are you worried about this? I suppose a lot of people are asking questions about this and getting emails about it. You know, is this going to be a topic? Well, it's not on the syllabus, but the whole health issue is, and something that's in the news is topical. So if you ask me, it's fair game to ask some kind of question like this. So I'm just going to give you some nice phrases that you can use, and hopefully you'll be able to get something from it and include in what you're doing today. So tá sé ráta ag sanolaithe ólaíochta. It has been stated by scientific experts gur cinnte go dtiocfaidh an coronavirus chomh fada leis an tír seo, that the coronavirus will come chomh fada leis an tír seo as far as this country. Os rud é gur virus tógálach é, so as it is a contagious virus, atá ag leatha ar fud an domhan ar luas lasrach, that's spreading all over the world ar luas lasrach as fast as lightning. Ní élóimid onmhailse. We will not escape from this particular danger. Is cinnte faoi. It's a certainty. Cé nach bhfuilm scanrathe, even though I'm not terrified about the virus, ag an ann céine bhuailm a bheith cinnte go bhfuil míad réitethe. At the same time, I'd like to be sure that we are prepared le dulling leis to tackle it. Dar an rialtas go bhfuil siad réig, the government said that they are ready, agus go mbeidh na hospital in now na cosna éagsúla a lámh seáil, that the hospitals will be able to handle, a lámh seáil is to handle the various cases má hagan an virus go héireann if the virus comes to Ireland. Beidir go mbeidh orainn srianta a chur, maybe we will have to put restrictions in place ar ócádaí móra puiblí on major public occasions, ar nós na gluichí rugby idirnáisiúnta, such as the international rugby matches. Agus iad a chur ar a lá, so to postpone them, no iad a chur ar ceall, or to cancel them altogether. Tá sé de gúlgas ar gach céine, everyone has a responsibility. Scoilna agus daltaíonn masks, students and schools amongst them, a seach níhil a dhéanamh to do their very best chun stop a chur le scapa an virus, to put an end to the spread of the virus directly, so that's tishiginuk of virus choma. So there's just a couple of ideas on coronavirus, something you could say if you're asked a question, you're able to handle it, and instead of getting into a big panic about, you know, this being a 2 or 3 minute topic, you're not going to be an expert on this, and it's not, as I say, a core topic on the syllabus. It is connected to Cuasaí Sláinte, the health issue, and maybe that's a conversation that you might have at some level after talking about this. But again, you can relax about this. It's not something you need to get very worried or worked up about. And here's, I suppose, the essential information that you need on the day if you want to prepare something like this. So an darrod atá gine seo ná maidir le Cuasaí Polatúla regarding political matters in Éireann, cad a thóirlóigh amach as seo, what will happen after all this? So what do you think is going to be the next move, if you like, from a political point of view? And obviously, in a couple of weeks' time, 3-4 weeks' time, when your exams begin, this situation will have changed, or maybe it won't. So I suppose it's a good idea to start preparing some of the phrases related to what's currently happening politically. So, tasomig, kenach mian mór an simigum I Cuasaí Polatúla de gná. So even though I normally don't have much interest in political matters, so that's your kind of standard opening phrase for most of you, Camerag will dima orm. I'd have to say that I'm disappointed. I'd have to say I'm disappointed. Nor féidirló teach le chéile, that they're not able to come together, agus Cuasaí réitoch níos tapúla, that they're not able to, I suppose, resolve matters níos tapúla, quicker. Is dócha gwyl drogel Leavingcertirish agus Micheál Martin dullim winning a chéile. It would seem that Micheál Martin and Leavingcertirish are reluctant to drogel orthu dullim winning a chéile, so to basically to trust one another. The réir na man, according to the media, is cosúil go mbeidh córialtas a gcuin. It would seem that we're going to have a coalition, so it's a standard phrase everyone should know at this point. Bunathe chomhaontu based on an agreement, either Fianna Fáil, Fine Gael, agus an comhaontas glas. You should know the term for the Green Party. Ní mó ná sásta bheith Sinn Féin faoi seo. Sinn Féin won't be one bit happy about this, or so they go muoin siad, as it is that they've stated or declared, gur bhuaigh siad an Tultauchan, that they won the general election. Bit of Gwil and Cartigo, perhaps they're right. Bhealach, in a way, ach heparhu, yet still they've managed to, or they failed to manage, co-rialtas a Carla Céile to put a coalition together, Godisha Renos, up until now at least. Tigami Galer Gwilin na Vibana, we all understand that the number of problems are are becoming more serious law in Igle day after day. An Vratamach, Brexit, an coronavirus, the coronavirus, na Danaha, the homeless, agus na listi fehefs na hospital and the waiting list in the hospitals. Tá sin am don Apollo Tory, stop a chur leis na cluichí. It's time for politicians to stop the games, agus túsáte, and to give preference to, or to prioritise. Túsáte hurt the riachtanis na tíre, so to prioritise the country's needs. Nach é sin an fá gur tóid nó tofiid Tawaid no Tofid Sekedot. So isn't that why they were elected in the first place? So Shin Kursi Polatula, and hopefully that gives you a couple of nice phrases. Again, this will change, but some of the key phrases you can see there, like Demo, Druggle, Co-Rialtas, Co-Aintu, and Tultauchan, they're all going to be part of what you'll be saying on the day. Agus an count dernach atá gin anish ná Kursi Aimshire. So, and we'll aim to go to Druch Aimshire. Have you any thoughts about the bad weather na Lehinta show these days, or nowadays? So maybe you want to get into the bigger topic of Kursi Timplach, the environmental issues, and this might be one way to get into it. So there's, a relatively simple language here, but it's going to be useful perhaps if you want to open up the broader discussion about young people and the role of the environment. So derhin gwil gach géine dubh I'd say everyone is worn out den Drochheimshire. Everyone's fed up with the bad weather. Again, you wouldn't know where the weather will be in a couple of weeks' time, but this is relevant to what's happening right now at least. Is fulam and Vashtoch echal nor Irim gach madden. I hate seeing the rain on Vashtoch. Don't forget it's a feminine term, so it's on Vashtoch with a H. So I hate seeing the rain nor Irim gach madden when I get up every morning. Is kinte gonairin dina duvach nor a ekenshid on Vashtoch et titamenuos law ni gles. So for sure people become depressed nor a ekenshid on Vashtoch law in Igle. On Gneas Massa Dumsa, no, the worst bit for me is, or the worst element for me is, go gahame dollar skull that I have to go to school. August and Vashut while the rain is ekstala anus arm, while the rain is pouring down on top of me. Gachmaden every morning. Neil Rutherben is Massa na ved the hisa shomer ranga. There's nothing worse than sitting in the classroom August to fluck bacha when you're soaked. Fluck bacha is soaked. The var na bashti on account of the rain. Tishginrach. Being true and down orm, I have terrible pity or sympathy. Dov shuda taig fullent gugir marjaul na tilta. So for those people who are suffering terribly, marjaul na tilta as a result of the floods. So attila is a flood, tilta is plural, the floods. Tog mar hampla, take for example Nadinas locally Malyaha Luan, no glun Laura Kundan Clor. So take for example the most vulnerable people, Nadinas locally in Malyaha Luan in Athlone no glun Laura, or in Clonlara, County Clare. Nilain Dola Sanishka Snakountoshin. There's no escaping the water in those areas. It's Tubishta Farsanta E. It's a personal tragedy or disaster, if you like. Right? Tragedy would be more trago. So it's Tubishta Farsanta E. It's a personal disaster than Nadina Achoni now for the people who live there. So Shin quid the Nuacht on Seachtaine seo Tasulgum go minute to Úsáid nó faimégan as na nachana. I hope you'll use some of the phrases or get some place to integrate them into your work. Don't forget to follow us on Leavingcertirish.com, on YouTube and Instagram. That's a brand new Instagram account we've just set up for this year. And also if you follow us on courses.leavingcertirish.com, that's where all of the free notes are available for download, and in particular all of our Strap Pictor is on a free course there right now, so you can just register for free. It's dead simple. And if you want to buy any of our premium courses, it's dead easy then to just move from the free course into the premium courses as you wish to do. So if you have any issues, get in touch with me, admin@Leavingcertirish.com, and you can also phone me directly on 087 344 7312 if you have any questions or if you need to ask me about setting up an account or anything like that. Okay, slán fóil, Tásúla gom, go bhfeice mé hu an teachtain seo huggin. Slán go fóling, Turara.